If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced
my friends, lovers, fans, and everyone. You are welcome once again to the channel. The name still remains Gbop Tech TV. Today we are going to talk about how to make money in Facebook. Facebook has now given us a privilege of opportunity to be able to monetize our videos and our pictures, which are our content, to earn a token out from it. They will directly be paying this money into our bank accounts each of every month, and this is so genuine and everlasting, because when you get to this monetization and finish everything, every month you have to receive as a salary. It means they have now employed you as a worker, so you sit in the house and work as being your own boss. And you know, this can be a side income. Making of videos or content doesn't consume time. You can use just a little time to make a video and use a little time to edit it. After you post it, that's all on the watch, and you earn your small. So for us not to waste time, let's just jump to the screen. If you know you are the first time watching this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification post. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be the first person to notify. I don't want to make this video long, so for it not to bother you, let's just jump into what we are to do now. Open your Facebook, and if you know you are new and you don't have Facebook account, this is what I want you to do. Everyone should create a new Facebook account for what they want to do. So just log out all the accounts you have. Now log out like this. Now after you finish logging out, the face will come here like this when you tap on create new account. Now they said join Facebook. Create an account to connect with friends, family, and communities of people who share your interests. Get started. I already have an account. Now for you not to waste time of what you want to do, that you'll be boring of how to become this a content creator or influencer to get this people, you have to create a new account. Before creating this new account, you have to sit down and say, what am I going to talk about? Plan of what you want to do. If it's about you teaching people in your videos, if it's about you teaching people how to cook, whatever you can do and you thought you can teach people how to do it and people will be happy about it, it's just for you to get crowd or traffic on your videos. That is why they call you an influencer. Influence people to get on your page and you earn money. You can earn this money by YouTube, Facebook accepting you and monetize your channel for you and pay you every month. This is just huge. You have to be employed. That's why when you have to employ, you have to qualify for some things. You'll be asking for your when you submit your application, they'll be asking for your CV to know your qualification. These are the CV for everyone, bachelors and everyone, even illiterate are include this, if only you have the smartest in your head to be able to create content. For us not to waste time, just tap on starter, get started, enter the name you want to use. After I finish entering the name, let me just enter my name, enter Tion Felix. Now enter next. When you enter next like this, it will send you to this. You put your date of birth. After putting date of birth, let me just put anything. After putting date of birth, it will send you to like this. Now just pick mail like this. Now they'll ask you to enter your phone number. Now all you have to do is just to enter your phone number. And you know, if you don't have phone number, you can either sign up by using email, but I prefer use a phone number. Just use your phone number and create this. After I finish creating your account, just go to the interface of it. I already have an account, so I'll go and log in into this new account I have created. I did not use it, I created for this purpose. So let me just log in into this new account. I already have an account. So 20146. So this is my account, and my picture is already in it. So they will send the code, and the code has already been here, which is 249628. Now they said I should create new password. Sorry. Yes, cancel recovery. As I said, I didn't forget sorry, you have to go back. Don't type on stop creating. When you come here like this, you come on log in into account. So I already have an account. I'm logging into this account. This is the account I'm having already. So this is the account I'm talking about. Now I've already logged into the account. I have created it and I put my picture in it just for anything. Now this thing I'm talking of here is this face you are seeing. You see people has posted their thing. Some people watch and they commented. So this person is their private or their normal Facebook account. So you have to register it with normal Facebook account. After you finish, the interface will look like this. Just type on this circular thing here. Type on it like this. When you finish typing on it, all you have to do is set on your pictures. Come down here, edit your profile and put on whatever you want to do, and whatever this is about, you just put it and you come down. Everything about you will be put in here. So this is where you start to post your videos and everything you have to do. When you have to go to live, this or real, this is live videos or this. So now when you finish everything, all you have to know is about this monetization thing. So you have to come here. You see these 3 dots here, type on it. Now when you finish typing on it, come here. They said turn on professional mode. So when you turn on this professional mode like this, it will turn. So you turn it on. So now you have turned your professional mode. They are asking who is to see your destiny. You put it on public. You see how I've put it. So public. So you now type in like this, and who can see your post. These things all have to be set. You have to set them all. Who have to see your post? Who have to see this? Public. Who commented or who do this? So you edit settings. So you come here, edit them. Who can see? Don't put friends. Put it on public. Who can see your stories? Don't put friends. Put it on public. Who can see your reels? Don't put it on public. Who can see your stories? Put it on public. You see it, and allow others to share your public stories to their own. No. Allow others to share your reels to their own. No. Now public, you put it on public. You come here. Just do you want search engines outside Facebook link to your profile? Yes, so that anyone who search it will see it. You see how it is. So you just press done. When you press down like this, they'll set default audience updated. Your default audience updated. Your default audience on Facebook has been updated to custom. You cannot change your settings at any time. Now you type on done. Now the professional mode has been done. So this is how it will look like. You have to set all this one. Someone will say, how do you set it? So you type on here. They said let more people discover your dash. When you set up your audience to public, it can help more people to see and engage. So set your default. Allow once this is okay. Allow anyone on or Facebook to see your future listing. We press down. You see it's setting. One step has done. You type on it again. It will send you somewhere. You are adding an account. Sharing across profile. You press done. Sorry. automatically it is sending you. Add your account to enable connecting experience such as sharing your Instagram stories and post. Your username, the name you use is this. Manage to others. Let's see, manage to others. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So you have to download Meta Business this thing too. So when you want to set all these things, you have to download it and set it. After you finish setting, all you have to do is, you see this three dot line here, you have to type on it like this and scroll down like this. Sorry. Add your bio. So the bio is what this is about. So you add it and save it, or just type anything, save it now, because I want to. I will come later and edit everything. You see how it is. They say connect with your audience. These ones are all finished. If you want, you can come later and exchange everything how you want it. I'm just doing this just for some purpose. So when you come here, I want to show you something. Now that will be linked to my Meta Business Day. So all you have to do is to come here. Sorry.